Are you having trouble locating the fuse box on your Ford Transit 2014 to 2019? Wondering which fuse controls what in your van? In this video, we'll break down everything you need to know about the fuse box, its location, fuse diagram, and how to troubleshoot common issues. Stay tuned and let's get started. Passenger compartment fuse box. The passenger compartment fuse box in the Ford Transit 2014 protects and distributes power to interior electrical components such as lights, climate control, and power accessories. The passenger compartment fuse box in the Ford Transit 2015 to 2017 manages and protects circuits for interior systems like lighting, infotainment, power windows, and climate control. The passenger compartment fuse box in the Ford Transit 2018 to 2019 protects and distributes power to interior features such as lighting, dashboard electronics, and convenience systems. The pre-fuse box in the Ford Transit 2014 safeguards high current circuits. The pre-fuse box in the Ford Transit 2015 to 2017 protects high current circuits like the starter and main battery supply lines. Body control module fuse box. The body control module fuse box in the Ford Transit 2014 to 2019 controls and protects electrical circuits for body systems such as lighting, wipers, door locks, and interior functions. Engine compartment fuse box. The engine compartment fuse box in the Ford Transit 2014 protects and controls power to engine-related systems like the ignition, fuel system, cooling fans, and emission controls. The engine compartment fuse box in the Ford Transit 2015 distributes and protects power to essential engine and underhood systems such as ignition, fuel injection, and cooling fans. The engine compartment fuse box in the Ford Transit 2016 to 2017 safeguards and supplies power to vital engine systems like ignition, fuel delivery, cooling, and emissions control. The engine compartment fuse box in the Ford Transit 2018 to 2019 protects and distributes power to critical engine and drivetrain systems such as ignition, fuel system, cooling, and emissions components.
Type of fuses: blade fuse, standard blade, fuse, mini blade fuse, maxi blade fuse, micro 2 fuse, micro 3 fuse, J-case fuse, glass tube fuse, AGC fuse, SFE fuse, ceramic fuse, Bosch fuse, DIN fuse, PAL fuse, low-profile PAL fuse, standard PAL fuse, link fuse, mega fuse, high amperage link fuse, Fuse conditions. Blown fuse. A blown fuse means it's no longer functioning and needs replacement, while a perfect fuse is in good working condition and performing as expected. How to change fuses. Turn off the vehicle, locate the fuse box, identify the faulty fuse, remove the faulty fuse, inspect and obtain a replacement, install the new fuse, test the replacement. Safety precautions. Disconnect the battery. Wear protective gear. Use proper tools. Check for correct amperage. Avoid water exposure. If this guide on fuse box location and diagrams is helpful, please like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.